What's up, team? This is Ro, your best friend at JMSB. So here I was asked a question for COMM 220, Analysis of Markets. Question number 6, Part B. Let's have a look. Suppose that a firm has its choice of 4 different methods of producing an output of 200 units. So this table outlines methods A, B, C, and D, which essentially involve different combinations of capital and labor that is producing this output of 200 units. In required B, it is asking us, what is the equation for the ISO expenditure line that is associated with the least cost method of production? Now, in order to be able to tackle part B, we need to have some information along with the answer for required A. So I'm quickly going to summarize what that is. In required A, they're telling us that the cost of the labor input is 50. The cost of the capital input is 200, and we needed to figure out the optimal production combination that would have been chosen. And evidently the combination that the firm would strive for is the one that is the cheapest, which happened to be combination D. If we employed combination D, our total cost would be 2 times 200 plus 8 times 50. It would have been $800. And now the question is simply asking you to determine the equation of this ISO expenditure line. So to make you understand how that's done, I'd first encourage you to express the equation of a total cost function or an ISO cost function. Understand that total cost is simply W, the wage rate, times L, plus C, the cost of capital, times K, the units of capital. So in this expression, we can substitute the values that we know. We know that the total cost with combination D is a total cost of 800, and so we can argue that 800 is equal to W, which happens to be 50, multiplied by L, plus C, which happens to be 200, multiplied by K. And now that you've come up with this expression, the idea is really simply to simplify the expression. So let's make that happen. So all that I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify this expression and try and isolate K. If I did that, I would get 800 minus 50L is equal to 200K. And now we can divide each term by 50. So 800 divided by 50 is simply going to be 16. 50L divided by 50 is just going to be minus L. And 200 divided by 50 is going to be 4. And so all I did here is I took each term in the expression and I divided it by 50 in order to simplify the expression. And now the truth is we can bring the K onto the left side and continue to simplify simply by dividing every term by 4. So if we did that, we'd get something like 16 over 4, which is just 4, minus L divided by 4 equals K. Now L divided by 4 is the same as 1 over 4 times L, and so you can argue that 4 minus a quarter L is equal to K. Or we can rewrite that as K equals 4 minus a quarter L just to make it look nicer. And so there we have it. That's how we'd find the equation of the ISO expenditure line that is associated with the least cost combination or the optimal output combination. So I hope that helps. Good luck with your classes, guys. I appreciate your enthusiasm. Keep posting your questions and make sure you tag your friends if you feel like this video could help them. Good luck. Ro out.